Hey doll lifers, welcome to another episode of Mini Monday. The other day I was digging through the most deepest, darkest, forgotten corner of a shelf and I discovered this Macy's bag. I don't even remember going into Macy's to purchase anything, but apparently I did. So in the Macy's bag I discovered these items. So for today's Mini Monday, I'll be opening these capsules. Let's get started. This is ZURU 5 Surprise Toy Mini Brand. What series is this? I don't even think it says. 100 plus minis to collect. This has to be one of the first ones. The first series. Maybe first or second. Probably the first, because if it was second, it would probably say series 2 on it. The first one is, oh, look how cute. Oh, we get the collector's guide. Let's see if it'll tell us anything more. Not really saying much. Our first item is Robo Alive. This will be cute for any of the dolls that are into dinosaurs. Ooh, what is this? We have JoJo Siwa microphone. It's cute. Ooh, what is this? Fingerlings. Okay. This is cute. Oh, here's the tab. It's tucked underneath. This one is Bunch of Balloons. It feels just like a piece of foam inside the bag, but it's cute. Oh, one more. Okay, here it is. A double in the same? What? And another collector's guide? Is that? No. Yeah, it is another collector's guide. We got the same thing in one capsule. I wouldn't expect that. I can understand a double in a separate capsule, but not the same capsule. Okay, moving on to the second capsule. Okay, here's capsule number 2. And our first item for capsule number 2 is, oh, good. I've wanted some crayons or markers. I know it's just a box. Yeah, it's just an empty box. It's tough. Ooh, what is this? Whammo Super Ball. How high can you bounce? Okay, this is cute. Oh, oh, I'm gonna have to glue that back together. It just fell apart. I used a craft glue stick and glued it. I just don't know where this little part goes, but it's there, so we'll let that dry. Next we get another fingerlings. Oh, this is so cute. I love the little packaging, the background, the backdrop of it. It's so cute. Oh, look at his little tail. So cute. Fingerlings. Ooh, this is Chippy? I never heard of this. Some kind of little robot? Remote control dog or something? Chippies. It's cute. Ooh, look at this little guy. Robofish. Looks like Nemo. It's a clownfish. A robo-fish. I don't want to open it. I don't want to break the seal. It's cute. Love it. I have a third capsule. The first wedge, we get 2 paper bags. A double fingerlings. What is this, a hula hoop or something? I can't make out what it says. Yep, that looks like what it is. Some type of hula hoop ring. Next is, this is tough. Really tough. Ooh, what is this? Potions. Slime surprise. Oh, this is cute. It doesn't open. And the last one, the last wedge. X-Shot. Looks like a Nerf gun. This is neat. Final capsule is this little capsule here. I've never seen this before. It says Arcade City. 2 pieces. Soft and squishy toys. Collect them all. Okay. Let's see what we get. Oh, look how cute. And this is, it looks like a little bird or a chick or something. An owl. And it is squishy. It can, I don't know if it'll fit on a pencil. This looks like a cross between a bunny and a pig. Okay. They're cute. I like them. Okay, that's all I have for now. Be sure to come back on next week for another episode of Mini Monday. Bye.